Right in. Just the back of 6. So let's get cracking. Let's get packed up and off. Using this little sensor here that attaches to my GPS, we can see that it got down to 1 degree Celsius last night and it's 5 just now. Like, there's Moss. She slipped the net. Oh no. The jabber. Going to need to go and do a reconnaissance mission for that. Right. How's it looking? Oh, morning. Ha ha ha. Hey, how you feeling today? You've been rolling about. Come on over till I see you. What you got there? Oh yeah. Oh, whoa, whoa, what's the frickin' tent, you? I'll drum your bum. Right, we're packing up. Look, Moss has got a branch attached to her, dragging all that stuff. Look, look. What's that? Right. Wait, go get it, go get it, go get it. Oh. Hey, what's that attached to your ears? Oh, right, don't bring it in here. Going over there with it. Get it off of me. Tell you something, by the way. This'll do me. Scotland. Bonnie, Scotland. Right, Moscow, are we ready for the off? Ah! Right, so that's us packed. And we're on the cabanos. Polish smoked and dried cabanos. Basically, meat cigars. I love it when a plan comes together, Ken. The GPS is saying that I've still got, you can't see it, well this reckons we've still got 4.57 miles to go. We reached the end of the first stage, but we've already done 14.8 miles. So we've already done more or less 15. If we've already done about 15 and it reckons we've still got 4.5, that's 19.5. So yeah, it's a couple of mile out. Assuming the next stage, which is meant to be 11 miles or something, maybe 11.5, is a couple of more miles. Say it's 12.5. So 14, 15, 16, 17, so 17 miles till the end probably. So we'll see how we get on. I'll decide if I want to like hike 15 miles and then camp overnight and then maybe just do the next couple of miles and get the bus home tomorrow and then get the train down the road. And I'll have all of Monday off to unpack my gear and chillax, Ken. But this is what I like about these things. No plans, no solid plans, have to do this, have to do that. We've got the time off working, we'll do what we do. So this is where we are. 7:30 in the morning. Check the hole out. So I was saying before, that's made by a pebble and a divot, and as the water moves around it, it acts as like a pestle and mortar and just wears down the rock and like smooth until it's like with these cool holes, you know. Know what I mean, Moscow? Oh, aye. Half our bag gets soaked for water leaking on it. I hadn't put the cap on my Vecto properly and it leaked. I was leaning it on it, so half of it's heavier than the other. I've tried to balance it, but she's hanging like a pun at mince, isn't you? Ah! Yeah, we've got a confrontation between species. Moss and a cat. You fear it, Moss? Look at the cat's face. Look. Ha 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 ha. Oh, ah. Photo badass cats. Ha ha, look, it's totally awesome. like a tiger in the mangroves. There's a wee box of Corona down there, Corona Extra. You know what I mean? Up here, like that. Right, lads, we're going to get a box of Corona and get full of it. But the only problem is, we're out in the middle of nowhere and we've got all this rubbish. What will we do with it? Just fling it down there, Jim. Get it flung down there. And there it's lay. For God knows how long. Unbelievable! That had sounded like an exciting one. But it's not really. It's an alright wee bit, isn't it? Oh no. Ooh. Mr. Barry's coming for a visit, I think. We're going to need to figure out some sort of escape route off of this road to go potty, Ken. Or that cabanos. How much cabanos is too much cabanos? Alright. I saw that cabanos. That reminds me of an ex-girlfriend that I used to have, and her wee brother told me one time, I was saying, oh, I love pizza, you know that, and he was like, oh aye, me too. I like, what sort of pizza do you like? And I'm like, I like the ones with all the meat on it, you know, pepperoni, ham, all sorts of spicy mince and all this. And he's like, oh, I like the one with like the more Italian meats. And I was like, oh, I like those as well. And he's like, the best one I've ever had is called the Meteor. And I was like, it's like meat and a meteor. You know, that's got to be quite an epic pizza. The Meteor. So it stuck in my head. And here one time I'm at Palace Grounds, and I'm like, I'm going to get one of them. Meteor, sounds awesome. So I'm away into Pizza Hut like that, boo, 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 right up to the desk. There's a sort of older lady there, and I was like, ah, a Meteor please. Didn't even look at the menu. And she just looks at me blankly like that. Meteor? And I'm like, aye, a Meteor, you know, the one with all the meat on it and all this. And she's like, we don't sell a Meteor. And I was like, well, this guy told me you did. Has it maybe been starting to panic now, has it maybe been a special that you've done in the past? She's like, son, I've worked here for 20 odd years. There's never been a pizza here called the Meteor. So I was all flustered. I'm like, he's the one with all the meat then, pepperami supreme or whatever. Don't even know if that's one. Panicked, I was all flustered at that point. Turns out it's bloody Domino's pizza. It's Domino's that do the Meteor, not Pizza Hut. I never even thought about it, I'm just away like that. Away in, Meteor. That reminds me of another embarrassing one. There was this guy I used to work with called Paul, and he used to play Xbox, and here something went wrong with his account one time, Xbox Live or whatever, so he phoned them up and asked them a question he wasn't expecting. They're like, okay, but we're going to do this, check that, okay, we'll need to do this, could you give us your avatar name? And he's like, Paulosaurus. We've just came from down there. Wait till you see this, by the way. I mean, is that view not just totally awesome? And this, it's like, I love these long weekends. It's totally like being on holiday. I'm on holiday, but at home. I love living in Scotland. Do you know what I mean? This is right here for us. There's some fish coming up, geeing up for flies. There's that wee place where I was. And there's a self-catering cottage here. Loch Katrine evacations.co.uk up there. So we're spotting a few places where you could come out and stay, you know, places to book up. Cracking about here, and it's close, it's not far from Glasgow, by car, bus or train. Brilliant. There's a tent down there. Glad I camped where I did, because this place looks really good, but there's other folk camping here and I'm glad I was sort of out the road. That's a cracking bit though, by the way. Really nice bit. That bit's nicer than the, maybe not. But you know, you can park here and all this. Sir Walter Scott, Lady of the Lake, set in the heart of the Trossachs. Oh look, that painting is there. Right, so remember that painting? Yeah, look. Just, I'll turn the handle and listen to the sound store box. Oh aye.
Please turn me till the message plays. We're gleaming with the setting sun, one burnished sheet of living gold. Loch Katrine lay beneath him rolled. In all her length, far winding lay, with promontory, creek and bay, and islands that, empurpled bright, floated amid the livelier light, and mountains that like giants stand, the sentinel enchanted land. High in the south, huge Ben Venachar, down on the lake in masses blue. Knolls and mounds, confusedly
What's this for?
the fragments of an earlier world. Ben
No, I've had enough of that. Aye, so that's what that painting is. This chap. So they keep it, the grass nice and short, so it's good for camping. Aye, a belter. That's where I was over there. Hear that guy rattling the tree? Hear it? What was that? Did you hear that? If that place up there is busy, walk down the road a wee bit, you'll see here, and you can come down here. Right there's a great wee bit for 1 or 2 tents. Can't believe there's not a lot more people out today. Bank holiday weekend, and that's like what, 2 tents I've seen. Yesterday the only people I've seen were 2 groups of walkers. That was it, the full day on the trail. 2 groups of walkers. There's loads of people at Inversnaid. I've seen folk doing the sections of the West Highland Way, but look at this. 2 tents over there, and that's it. Brilliant. So nice. Here's some cyclists talking about that. Brave Ellen. Ellen's Isle. That's this lass here. It's traditionally been a place where fugitives hid. Basically, Ellen Stewart defended her friends and children by killing an English soldier. The story inspired Sir Walter Scott and he incorporated it into his poem Lady of the Lake. In his poem, she takes refuge in an island castle on Loch Katrine. Ellen's 3rd song, composed by Schubert to the words of Ellen's prayer in the poem, became known worldwide as Ave Maria. Did you know that? Here's some of the music by turning the handle in the sound store box. Before we do that, check this out. Unlike most of the land around the loch, the island has been little affected by humans. It gives an insight into what the ancient forests that once covered this land may have been like. So it would have been like this. All about here. Would have been like yawn. Pretty cool, eh? Right, let's give this box a wee shot.
Please turn me till the message plays.
Oh, here we go. Hey! Get it on. What's that?
Please turn me till the message plays.
It's all the same stuff. Sounds more like Michael Jackson, doesn't it? Yeah, I've had enough of that. Right, McLeod it! We're McLeoding it! Yeah! A couple of cyclists just went by there. How good would it be if that music was still playing? Imagine cycling by that there. I hope you're all spooky and all that. They're chasing that one, look. One of them's beeling. Listen to that. The falls. Cool. Bloody hell. Aha. Seventh son of a seventh son. I wonder if that's the Iron Maiden song. Bet it is. The secret commonwealth of elves, fauns and fairies. Wee folk. Bet that's what that Iron Maiden song's based on. So there's this a bit. And then you've got the Sir Walter Scott, the last steam driven propeller boat in the world. This chap. Pardon you, Moss. To this day it's played to announce the arrival of the President of the United States of America. Blowing up with gunpowder. Heather ropes, cool. Right, come on, Moss. Now this thing sets sail at 10:30, and I was thinking about going on it, but if you look, there's a bit of a queue, and that's 10:15. So you'd want to be here a bit early. I don't know if there's enough space in the boat for all these more folk coming. Check this thing out. That's the boat I'd have. What's even going on there? Is that a wee steamy or what? Pure Poirot. Probably can't see that, but that's 4.64 miles. That was us went into the wee shop, had a piece. There's a Defender like mine, but that's the 110 crew cab. Went into the wee shop, piece and egg, can iron brew, and a wee Mr. Whippy. You can't pass up a Mr. Whippy, by the way. Folk have been driving by wondering what I'm doing, filming myself eating a cone. Moss is licking up all the droplets, look. Ah! Right, wait and we'll see. Are you getting what? Ready? Look! Oh, you missed it! It's all done you. It's all done you. Morning. No, it's their own stuff. It's a rain jacket and food and all that.
Oh, very good.
There, here you go, Moss. Here. Oh, is that good? I think you can go off here, Moss. That's you. Slow, slow, slow. Cool. This is a nice bit here. Check it out. See it? Well, cool. Didn't know about this. Look. Booking reference. I need to remember this one. I was cracking on a bit there, but this place looks brilliant. I'm definitely going to go there one time. So we're just walking along this wee path next to the road. No smelly road walking, which is good. So there's a car park down there, and we've got a wee pull up a hill here. And then once we get to the top, it flattens out and heads over to the east. Check this out. These ruins formed a farmstead once belonged to the township of Dripping. Comprised of a house, barn and food store, and the entire township was abandoned by the middle of the 19th century. Imagine living here. These trees wouldn't have been here. They must have had fields and stuff, or sheep. What a view though, eh? Bloody hell. Oh, there's wee Muzzy coming. So you can see we rise up quite a bit. Wonder if this is part of that old house for the farm. Moss is tired, aren't you? She's a tired girl, but we've still got a couple of hours to go. So we do. Aye. How many miles? 5.5 maybe? Something like that. So I was saying yesterday about how I don't like it when it feels like a bit of a race. Well, I found out if I want to go home today, the last bus from Callander to Stirling, where I get the train to Glasgow, is at 3:45. So that's kind of close to my ETA. So I'm feeling like I'm having to try and speed up a wee bit. So it would probably be better if I just went, do you know what, I'll just dawn along, stop, either look for a campsite in Callander or stop short and wild camp again. Because like I said, I've probably got another 2-3 days worth of food there. But it would be good, you know, it's like just missing. What would I do then? You know, because I'm going to get there about 3:30 anyway. So what would I do from, that's the end of the hike, what would I do from 3:30 onwards? Could stay in a campsite in Callander and go and get fully at somewhere right enough. That would be good, I might do that. So that's us there. There's the edge of the loch, and then there's Callander there. Going down for a wee drink. Go and get a wee drink. Look, over here, Moss. Going down. That's you. Yeah, that's good. Ha! Look how vibrant these colours are. These flowers. It's like so yellow, it's fluorescent. It's crazy. Kind of smells like coconut in there. I don't know if it's maybe the pollen from all these flowers. It's nice. Damn. I'd really like to have went up there. Goes up there. Don't have time though. As you can see, we're We're getting guy close, Ken. Then we need to find the public toilets. That's apparently where the bus leaves from. Bogers. So yeah, we're going to make it. So that's good. Glad I didn't dilly-dally. You can smell all the food coming from the town. It's like spices or something. Don't know what that would be. You'd think it would be fish and chips or something. Where do we go here? I do really recommend this trail. See, for a Saturday and Sunday, come here Friday night, walk up a wee bit, camp, and then can it Saturday, Sunday. Although getting here it would be difficult because you know how I got the ferry and all that. But like you seen, it was Saturday and I'm going to be home on Sunday, so yeah, it's totally doable. There's some sort of Ferrari. Know that. That guy. Right, let's see where we're going. Welcome to Kilmahog. Oh, there's the... Look at the hill fort. That's cool. I don't have time to read all this, but you can do the same as me and pause it to read it. Shit flying my cooting. It's the shit flies out. Right, Moss. So we're now down here and you can hear the bustle of the cars heading over into Callander. There we go, Callander, quarter mile that way, Loch Lomond 31 mile that way. So here we are, bus stop, public toilets, bus stop. This is apparently where the bus is meant to come, although there's a motor and a van parked in it. Moscow, she's getting some smoked sausage. This is what we're eating, just waiting in the bus.